Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. I post crafty DIY videos on every Saturday. So if you like creating stuff on your own, then consider subscribing. Today I'm sharing how to make funny pun-shaped cards for your friends on upcoming Friendships Day. Now supplies that you will need to create these cards are paper, scissors, markers, glue, and for coloring you can use these watercolors. You can use any watercolors that you have at home or colored markers or colored pencils. And if you don't have any of this, then you can also use colored cardstocks. Now go grab your crafting supplies and let's get started with pun card number 1. For this, you will need a piece of white paper. Then trace and cut out a large circle out of this white sheet. Now fold this circle in half and cut out on a folding line. Now fold again in half. And your basic card shape is ready. Now let's decorate it with watercolors. I am using green and red watercolors to make a watermelon. First color with light wash and then build it up as dark as you want. Then leave it aside to dry completely. After drying, I am drawing cute kawaii face with black marker. You can also draw cute eyelashes and give this card to your girlfriend. Next, I am drawing some watermelon seeds. Then add highlights in eyes with white gel pen. Now on inside I am writing a message, "You are one in a melon." And your cute kawaii pun card is ready to give to your friend. Now let's make second kawaii pun card. For this, you will need a white sheet of paper and then fold it in half. Now draw an egg shape along the folding line. Now here you can see the folding line of the card. Now cut out that egg shape with the folding line intact. And your basic shape card is ready. Now here I am coloring egg yolk with yellow watercolor. Then keep it aside to dry completely. Now it's time to draw cute kawaii face with black marker. Now for inside, I already colored a banner with yellow watercolor. Next, I'm writing a pun message with black marker. And your cute kawaii pun card is ready. This card is very easy to make, so you can make a bunch of these for all your friends in very less time. So give it a try. Now let's make third cute kawaii pun card. For this you will need a brown paper, then fold that paper in half. Next, trace a circle, leaving a little bit of folding line intact like I'm showing here. Next, cut it out with the help of a scissor, and you will end up with a circle-shaped card. Now make a frosting out of any colored cardstock you like. I am drawing mine on pink cardstock. Also draw a hole in the center and cut this out with the help of a scissors. Now stick this frosting with the help of a glue on circle-shaped card. Now here I am drawing kawaii face with black marker. Now next, I am drawing sprinkles with some colored markers. Next, I am writing pun message with black marker. And your super sweet donut shaped pun card is ready. I hope you liked this video. If you recreate any of these cards, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with hashtag DIY-with-Zini. I would love to see them. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I will try my best to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day and happy crafting!